Hey everybody, this is my first live video. I'm unboxing my merch from GQ Designs. I'm so excited. Package came today, but I had a really long, busy day. So I'm just now getting home. Well, I've been home for a little bit, but just now getting a chance to unbox my new merch, my Retail Racism Shopping While Black and Brown merch. Let's see what all is in here. Oh wow, some nice like order forms. Okay, so I'm trying to remember how am I using them? Oh, look at this, a really nice invoice with thank you and a smiley face, and most importantly, the word paid at the top. Let's see. And then flyers for GQ Designs if they want to order t-shirts. Okay. Uh-oh, a card, a personal card. I'll be reading the card. Okay, I'll read, well, let's see. Let me read the card now. Okay, so for those of you who are just signing on, I am unboxing my order from GQ Designs. Thank you for ordering and supporting my small business from the owner of GQ Designs. Okay, t-shirt number 1. Oh, it's packaged so nicely. It's just so beautifully packaged. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that t-shirt. Retail Racism, Shopping While Black and Brown in America. I have this color. I have a gray one and a black one. Here's the gray one. It's just as beautiful t-shirt. And I have a black one. For those of you just signing in, this is my very first live video. I am unboxing my order from GQ Designs. And the first thing that I'm taking out are the black, the gray, and the kind of like an off-white t-shirts. Okay, because I'm going to a few conferences this month and next month, and 2 of the conferences, all 3 of the conferences last at least 3 days, so I'll have a different color to wear for each day, even in really nice instructions on how to take care of the t-shirts. It's just so sweet. Okay, then, oh, lots of business cards from GQ Designs. Ooh, a whole lot of them. Okay, for those who want to order the t-shirts when I'm at these conferences. Uh-oh, here we go, here we go. This is the part I'm most excited about. The Retail Racism Shopping While Black and Brown shopping bag. Okay, and this comes in the natural color, or like an off-white, and it also comes in black. So let's see if we can find one of the black ones in here. Okay, so I have a lot of these. Okay, here we go. Here's a black one. I can't wait to see the black one. Oh, I love it. I love it. That is the black. And see, there's a black t-shirt to match the black shopping bag. And there is a off-white t-shirt to match the off-white shopping bag. How do you like that? Okay. So exciting. And we're not finished, because GQ Designs also made me some Retail Racism Shopping While Black and Brown earrings. Now, where are they? I saw them in here a moment ago. Oh, here they go. Here they go. Ooh, I'm so excited about these earrings. Okay, we have, this is a pair of the small ones. They're pierced. Let me take them out of the bag. And then there's a couple of pairs of the really big ones that you would wear like with an afro maybe, or a big hairstyle. But these are wooden. I hope you can see them well. They're wooden and they're dangly. They're very dangly. Let me see. Ooh, they even have the little things so that the earrings don't fall out of your ear. Ooh, how do you like that? Wait till I go to these conferences with my earrings on. I'm so excited. So these are what I call the large ones. And then there's the larger earrings. And these are the ones you would wear with a big hairstyle. Okay, those are the really large ones if you really want to make a statement. Okay, so I am just so excited for my merch that I'll be taking to the conferences. Lots of shopping bags and earrings, and the t-shirts they can order directly from GQ Designs. Okay, so thank you for letting me share my first unboxing. For those of you who came in late, GQ Designs has the black shopping bag with Retail Racism Shopping While Black and Brown. By the way, Shopping While Black and Brown Retail Racism is coming out in paperback later this year. My editor, my publisher told me that they are pleased with how the book is going, and they're going to be coming out with a paperback version probably late summer, early fall. But anyway, there's the other shopping bag, and let me show you the t-shirts one more time. Isn't that just beautiful? And it matches. You can even match the shopping bag. I asked for 3 different t-shirts in 3 different colors because the conferences that I'm going to, each one lasts at least 3 days. So during February and March. And then there's the earrings. I already showed everyone on wearing one pair. And then there's the ultra large earrings for those who want to make that big statement. Okay? For those of you who are signing in, who are joining us a little late. So thank you again. Thank you, GQ Designs. That's in Facebook, you would go G, then a space, then Q, then a space, then Designs. And that'll take you to GQ Designs. Tell them that Michelle sent you. Thank you. Good night. Much love, everybody. Bye-bye. Now, how do I turn this off? This is my first live. I have no idea how to turn it off, but let me see if I can figure it out. I really,